Mga katropang ubas, muli po natin balikan ang ating mga naging katropang ubas sa buwan ng July, year 2025. Okay, today is July 2, 2025, Wednesday. So may ipadadala po tayo na Sugar One Seedless. Yan. And meron ding Crimson Seedless and Joy Seedless via Lalamove going to Antipolo, Rizal. Yan mga katropang ubas. Thank you. Okay, today is July 3, 2025. Thursday, may ipadadala po tayo ngayon kahit nag-uulan na Joy Seedless Grape Saplings, saka yung Sugar One Seedless Grape Saplings going to Talavera, Nueva Ecija via Draft and Go po ito. So yun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye. Today is Friday, July 4, 2025. May ipadadala po tayo ngayon na 9-feet matured na grapes plant. At ito ay premium variety na si Joy Seedless. Ayan, nasa 9 feet na siya. Malaki na. Instant puno na po. At ito po ay via Draft and Go natin ipadadala going to Zambales. At may kasama pang dalawang Catawba grape saplings. So yan po ang ating Joy Seedless 9-feet matured going to Zambales today. Thank you. Good morning. Today is July 7, Monday. So, meron tayong customers na bibili ng 5 pieces lang na Baikonur fresh cuttings. So, pagbigyan natin sa customer ay 5 pieces lang. No, gusto lang daw niya magkaroon o mag-try din mag-wrap o magtanim na itong si Baikonur grapes. So, ipagkakat natin siya ngayon. At meet up kami. At siya taga Kalumpit, Bulacan lang naman po. Ayan. Okay, good morning mga katropang ubas. Today is July 7, 2025, Monday. So meron tayo ngayong ipadadala na dalawang grapes plant matured na tigna 9 feet na. Ayan. Ito ay si Anyuta grapes at si Escarlota grape seedless. Going to Dinalupihan, Bataan today via Lalamove. So, yan lang po. Thank you. Okay, today is Friday, July 11, 2025. Meron tayong 40 sacks na Coco Fit, 10 sacks ng Coco Fiber via L300 Lalamove po ito. Delivery going to North Caloocan today. So, thank you. This is ANCS Life Garden, the Philippines, #1 grapes plant store in Bulacan. Thank you. Today is July 13, 2025, Sunday. Meron po tayong ipadadala na 400 pieces na Catawba grapes cuttings going to North Caloocan via Lalamove Rider po ito ang delivery. So, muli, ito po ang ANCS Life Garden, the Philippines, #1 grapes plant store in Bulacan. So, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, today is July 13, 2025, Sunday. May ipadadala po tayo na Sugar One Seedless and 3 pieces na Illinois Mulberry na may mga bunga-bunga pa going to Ubando today via Lalamove Rider. So, yun lang po. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, today is July 14, 2025, Monday. May ipadadala po tayo na yan, 8 pieces na Shine Muscat grape saplings po ang laman yan. Plus ito pong 2 pieces na grape saplings na Shine Muscat. At itong ating 9-feet matured na Shine Muscat na may nakamarkot pa siya. And then sa loob niya may isa pang saplings po na nakatanim din sa isang pot. So pwede naman no yun i-segregate. So ang lahat po na yan ay padadala po natin going to Lipa, Batangas today via Draft and Go. So, yun lang po mga katrabang ubas. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, today is Tuesday, July 15, 2025. Meron po tayo ditong 500 pieces na Brazilian Hybrid Press Grapes Cuttings, no? Na ipadadala natin going to North Caloocan today via Lalamove Rider po ito. So muli ito po si John Sanchez ng ANCS Life Garden, the Philippines #1 grapes plant store in Bulacan. So yun lang po. Thank you. Okay, today is Wednesday, July 16, 2025. So may ipadadala po tayo na 9 pieces na Black Riviere grapes established na po. And then 1 Brazilian hybrid grapes na established yun. And then 20 pieces na Brazilian hybrid fresh cuttings. So ang lahat po na ito ay via LBC going to Cebu City. So ito po si John Sanchez ng C&CS Life Garden, the Philippines #1 grapes plant store in Bulacan. So thank you. Bye-bye. Today is July 18, 2025, Friday. May ipapadala po tayo na 4 pieces na Catawba grape saplings and 1 piece ni Baikonur grape sapling and 2 pieces ni Illinois mulberry na may bunga-bunga pa, going to Valenzuela today via Lalamove Rider. So yun lang po. Thank you. Today is July 20, 2025, Sunday. So special delivery ito, malapit lang naman, going to Santa Isabel, Malolos. Ito po ay ang ating guwapo na marketed. Yan, ang daming ugat. Yan. And then, may kasama siyang Sugra 1 seedless grapes, saplings. And then, ang kanyang Baikonur na pang-graft. Yan, yun na natin pinutol. Pang-graft na Baikonur ang order niya. So, yun lang po. Thank you. Bye-bye. Today is July 25, 2025. It's Friday, mga katropang ubas. So meron tayo dito 1,000 pieces na Catawba grapes na good cuts. Ayan po siya, fresh na fresh. And then meron din tayo mga pang bonsai na Catawba grapes. At plus 300 pieces mahigit na matured na small cuts po ni Catawba. So all in all, baka mga 1,500 pieces po ang lahat ng ito. At ipadadala natin ito going to North Caloocan today via Lalamove. So yun lang po. Thank you. Today is July 27, 2025, Sunday. May ipadadala po tayo ngayon na 2 pieces na Sugra 1 seedless. Yan, lago-lago niya na, laki-laki na. Sugra 1 seedless grapes variety. And then 2 pieces na Baikonur grape saplings and 1 piece na Illinois mulberry. At may kasama pa po yung 10 pieces na Catawba grapes fresh cuttings na pang bonsai. At ipadadala natin to going to Pangasinan via Flash Express. Thank you. Okay, today is July 28, 2025. So, ganito ang itsura sa loob ng box natin na ipinadadala. Tinatali-tali natin. Support siya. Para magkabalik-baliktad man yung box sa pag-deliver ay still safe yung plants ninyo. So 3 pieces ito ng Illinois mulberry at 3 pieces ni Catawba grapes ang ipadadala natin today going to Taytay, Rizal via Lalamove. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, today is July 28, 2025, Monday. Mga katropang ubas, meron tayo dito 3 pieces na Illinois mulberry na may bunga na ipadadala natin via LBC Express going to Santa Rosa, Laguna today. So, yun lang po mga katropang ubas. So, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, today is July 29, 2025, Tuesday. May ipadadala po tayo ngayon na 15 pieces na Catawba grapes fresh bonsai cut size. Ang padadala natin via LBC Express po ito going to Misamis Occidental. So yun lang po mga katropang ubas. So thank you. Bye-bye. Today is July 30, 2025, Wednesday. So, nakikita po ninyo ngayon mga katropang ubas, mga katropang mulberry. Ito po ay dahon ng Himalayan mulberry. And then ito dahon ng Illinois mulberry. And then yung nasa dulo na yon ay dahon ng native mulberry. So ang lahat po na yan, ang kailangan lang po dyan ay dahon. Ipadadala natin today going to Makati City via Lalamove. So mga dahon lang po ang kailangan niya. Gaganituhin po natin siya. So 5 kilos po ang kailangan niya. Kung before, may umu-order sa atin ng mga dahon mulberry, ginagawan tea. Today ay gagawin niya po tayo itong pangkain sa mga alaga niya pong pagong. So ganyan po ang ating mulberry na ipinadadala kapag may umorder ng dahon. So yun lang po. Thank you. Bye-bye. Today is July 30, 2025. Meron tayong ipadadala dito na pang-bonsai cut na Illinois Mulberry fresh. Kanina lang ho ito ni Kat. And then ipadadala natin ito going to San Jose del Monte, Bulacan today via Lalamove Rider. So, yun lang po. Thank you. Today is July 31, 2025, Thursday. May ipadadala po tayo na 5 pieces po ni Catawba grapes na bonsai cut. Ayan. At saka 5 pieces po na fresh cuttings ni Illinois Mulberry. At meron din siyang 5 pieces na Catawba grapes na established na at na isang Baikonur grapes na established. At ang lahat po na yan ay ipadadala po natin via Flash Express delivery door to door going to Kalibo, Aklan today. So yun lang po. Thank you. Muli maraming salamat sa mga naging katropang ubas natin sa North Caloocan, Kalibo, Aklan, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Makati City, Misamis Occidental, Santa Rosa, Laguna, Taytay, Rizal, Pangasinan, Santa Isabel, Malolos, Bulacan, Valenzuela City, Cebu City, Liba, Batangas, Subando, Bulacan, Kalumpit, Bulacan, Dinalapihan, Bataan, Zambales, Talavera, Nueva Ecija, Antipolo, Rizal. Palaganapin natin ang ubasan sa buong Pilipinas. Thank you.